Today's video topic is 9 types of meditation and when to practice each one of them. Meditation is a type of mindfulness practice which works to bring our attention to the present moment and focus on our thoughts and feelings. This can help us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings as well as our interactions with the world around us. In order to practice meditation, all we need is a quiet place and a comfortable seat. There are many types of meditation. Here are 9 of them and when to practice each one of them. Number 1. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is perhaps the most well-known type of meditation. It involves focusing on the breath and being mindful of the present moment. Practitioners are encouraged to observe their thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. By being mindful, we can gain into our own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This type of meditation is best for you if you don't have someone to guide you, as it is very easy. Number 2. Focused meditation. Focused meditation is all about concentration. It involves focusing on a single object, such as the breath, a mantra, or a candle flame, and ignoring all external distractions. By doing this, we can learn to be more present and mindful. This type of meditation can be particularly helpful for those who struggle to concentrate or those with racing thoughts. Number 3. Movement meditation. Movement meditation is a type of meditation that utilizes movement to relax the body and mind. This type of meditation can involve slow, gentle stretching, walking, yoga, tai chi, or other gentle forms of physical exercise. Movement meditation can be used to reduce stress, improve physical fitness, and cultivate a greater sense of body awareness. Number 4. Spiritual meditation. Spiritual meditation has roots in many different religious and spiritual traditions. Spiritual meditation is a type of meditation that is used to connect with a higher power or divine source. This type of meditation can be used to find inner peace, cultivate gratitude, and gain spiritual insight. Spiritual meditation can be practiced alone or with a spiritual guide and can be used to help bring clarity and spiritual growth. Number 5. Mantra meditation. Mantra meditation is a type of meditation that involves the repetition of a phrase, sound, or word. This type of meditation is often used to quiet the mind and help one focus on the present moment. It can also be used to invoke a heightened sense of awareness or to access deeper levels of consciousness. Some of the benefits of mantra meditation include increased clarity of thought, improved concentration, and increased self-awareness. Number 6. Transcendental meditation. Transcendental meditation is a form of meditation in which the mind is allowed to rest and become peaceful. This type of meditation is based on the belief that it helps to connect the practitioner with a higher power. It also involves an elaborate set of techniques that allow the practitioner to enter into a deep state of relaxation. Number 7. Progressive relaxation. Progressive relaxation is a type of meditation that involves systematically tensing and releasing different muscle groups throughout the body. This type of meditation is often used to reduce muscle tension, increase circulation, and promote relaxation. Some of the benefits of progressive relaxation include improved sleep and reduced levels of stress and anxiety. Number 8. Loving-kindness meditation. Loving-kindness meditation is a type of meditation that involves systematically generating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards oneself and others. This type of meditation can help cultivate compassion, reduce feelings of anger and hatred, and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. Number 9. Visualization meditation. Visualization meditation is a type of meditation that involves using imagery to focus the mind and bring about a desired outcome. This type of meditation can be used to bring about physical and emotional healing, to reduce stress and anxiety, or to create positive mental states. Some of the benefits of visualization meditation include improved concentration, increased self-awareness, and improved overall well-being. Regardless of the type of meditation you choose to practice, the most important thing is to find a practice that works for you. Meditation can be a powerful tool for stress relief, relaxation, and inner peace, so it's important to find a practice that you can stick with. With patience and dedication, you can find the type of medication that best suits your needs.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.